Hi. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Lisa. Definitely make sure you subscribe. I am so excited about today's video because it is a try on clothing haul with the brand my mom made it, or my mom, I don't know. It's written M-U-M, but I don't know if you say mum or mom. I'm just gonna say mom because it's a bit easier to say. They reached out to me and asked if I wanted to do a clothing haul with them. It's not sponsored, but I did get everything sent for free. But when I got this email, I was so excited because I've actually been following them for a really long time and always loved their pieces. I'd never ordered anything myself, but I was just always looking at it like, someday I'm gonna order. So I was super excited when they reached out to me and sent me all these pieces. So thank you for that. And yeah, if you're interested in seeing what I got, then just keep on watching. First set I'm gonna talk about is literally my dream. I've seen this on their Instagram for a long time and I kept thinking like, should I order it? And I didn't do it. I don't know why, like I just kept putting it off. And then when I got the email, I was like, I'm getting that. That was like the first thing I knew I wanted to get. I'm actually wearing the skirt right now. So this is basically like a corduroy, like light blue set. And it comes with, let me put this aside. It comes with a little button up. And then with the skirt, and oh my god, you guys, this set is an absolute dream. Like I could live in this. Like I never want to take it off. The waist is a little big for me, but I just fixed that by putting like a safety pin there and you really can't tell. But oh my gosh, I love this so much. I'm actually just gonna wear this today. I'm going to an Ariana Grande concert later, so I was like, let me wear this. It's really hot though, so I don't know if I'm gonna wear the jacket. Maybe I'll bring it for like tonight when it gets a little cooler, but oh my god, the set is amazing. If there's anything you should get from this whole haul, I would say it's this set. Like it's the most beautiful thing ever. And there's nothing like this anywhere. Like it's so unique, and that's what I love about it even more. Then I right away just want to show this because it was on the same hanger, and it's a pair of sunnies, and these are like the mini, like small tiny sunglasses. These are so dope. Can we talk about this? If I was a pair of sunglasses, it would be these. They have like rhinestones all over them and they're like super sparkly and like, oh my god, these are my dream. Like I love these so much. Then the next set is this one, which I actually put on my Instagram story. I had just gotten back from vacation and I opened my package from everything they sent me and I saw this, and this is literally the first thing I put on. Not only is this really fucking cute, it's also so comfortable. Like it's super soft. It just looks adorable, just like lounge around the house with or just go to sleep in. Like this is just amazing. I'm so happy with this as well. Because of the fact that I wanted to film this video, I haven't worn it besides that night, but now I'm gonna wear this every single night. Like I'm not gonna wear any of my other pajamas. Like this is just gonna be it. You could even like separately wear the top with something else. And I'm a little annoyed because my camera crashed halfway through filming, so I have to film this again. The next piece that I got just because I knew it was going to be really good for fall and winter, and it's this black long sleeve top. These tops are a huge staple for me for fall and winter. They're great for layering, but also just like wearing on their own. I had one that I'd owned for like 2 or 3 years and the quality really wasn't that great anymore, so I really wanted to pick up a new one, so I got this one. And I really like the stitching details. Kind of creates, I don't know, just something extra to it. It's a ribbed fabric, which I really like, and it's super thick, not see-through. It's not super thick, but it's like a nice amount of thickness, if that makes sense. Yeah, this one I just got because it's a great basic, and I really just want to have some more basics in my wardrobe that I can just kind of build my wardrobe with, because I feel like that's really important, like when you're trying to build your wardrobe, to have some good staple basics. So this one is definitely going to be worn a lot this fall winter, and I'm really excited. This next piece I've already worn. I actually wore this to a job interview, and it's this cropped white button-up shirt, and oh my gosh, first of all, this is the most flattering thing I've ever worn. Like I've never worn a shirt in general that looked so flattering on my body. So I really like it. I love the fact that it has the brand name on the pocket. It just adds just a detail that makes it look different from every other cropped white shirt. And yeah, so you can dress this up with like a leather skirt, heels, or like boots or something, or dress it down like I did with just a pair of jeans and some sneakers, and it's just super versatile. And again, this is an amazing staple and just like basic for your wardrobe. Like you can create so many different outfits with this, and it's perfect for so many different occasions. I'm absolutely gonna get so much wear out of this. I'm really excited, and I just love it so much. Next up, I got this kind of white sporty bra top. I'm absolutely obsessed with like the soft bras with like no padding, no nothing. I wear my Calvin Kleins a lot. I wear my lounge underwear ones a lot, and this one's just another one for my collection. It does have like a normal bra clasp in the back, and then it also says the brand name in the back, which I really like. Again, it just adds detail that most bra tops don't have. And this one's actually also a halter neck, which I really like. I don't have anything like this, so I was really excited to pick this one up. I'm definitely gonna get a lot of wear out of this, whether it's around the house or just outside during the last days of summer when it's like super hot. And yeah, I love this. Next up, I got another great staple piece for your wardrobe, and this is white button-up shirt. This one's a bit more oversized. It's almost a dress on me, but not yet. It's like a little bit too short to be a dress. Even though I did get it in my size, it's just like an oversized fit. And this one's gonna be great just to wear like buttoned up as like a blouse, or to wear like kind of as a jacket on top of something. I feel like for summer this would be really nice on like a pair of light blue denim shorts with like a tank top underneath, and then have this kind of wearing like kind of as a jacket, but like not really jackets, like super light. Okay, sorry for the quality of video change, but my camera kept crashing. It just crashed again, so I just grabbed my vlog camera to continue on. So annoying. I think I was talking about this one still when it cut off, but I really like the detail on this. I love the fact that the buttons just like snap up. The next thing I got, I actually wore last night, and oh my god, it's so annoying because I said this 2 times already. I wore this last night because I went out to the movies and I just want to be comfortable, and since I work from home, it's very important for me for my outfits to be like comfortable. These leggings, I have never felt or worn or just like found leggings this comfortable. Basically, they're a ribbed fabric. They're not see-through. They have an amazing waistband, which kind of like shapes you up and makes your waist look really good. Oh my god, you guys, these are just so comfortable, and especially for fall and winter, I'm gonna be living in these with like oversized hoodies, t-shirts, literally anything. Since it's not see-through, you don't even have to wear something oversized because you're not gonna see, and like you're not gonna see your underwear, and they just look like you try to look good. Like you can't even tell that you're wearing leggings. Like they just look really good. This is probably my second favorite thing that I got. All right, the last piece I got is these cream sweatpants. I actually put these on my Instagram story, and a lot of you guys like these as well. They're, I don't know what you would call this type of fabric, like texture, but it's like little squares. They're super heavy and like thick and like just really good quality. Like these are going to be amazing for fall and winter. Again, I'm going to be living in these. I need comfy clothes. And it again has the brand on the leg. They're a little bit long on me, but like nothing too crazy that I like can't handle. And I love that the ties are on the inside, because I don't love the tie look. Like when you like tied your sweatpants and you can like see that, like I think so, it's kind of weird. Yeah, absolutely obsessed with these. Again, another staple. Like they just have so many good staple pieces for your wardrobe, but they're all really unique and they're all very different, and you're not going to find this anywhere else. And that's what I love about their brand. Their whole aesthetic is just like so my vibe. That was it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, thank you to my mom Mayday for sending me all these amazing pieces. You're gonna see a lot of them on my Instagram for sure. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also turn on my post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I'm gonna leave links down below to all the pieces that I got so that you can shop them if you would like to. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.